today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple code in Python that says hello world. So this is how you do it. So you get a print statement, you get the open and close brackets, then single quotation marks, two single quotation marks, and then inside those you type in hello world. Actually, you don't have to type in hello world. You can actually type whatever you want inside. So I'll just type in hello world. Hello world. Then let me see what happens if I run it. So this is going to be the output, hello world. So guys, with this print keyword, you can actually really, just type anything you want and it'll be shown for the output. So if I type in hi John, and then run, it's gonna say hi John. So whatever you type over here in the print statement, whatever you say type in the print statement, will get the output to be the same. So for other words, let's see, I like apples. It says I like apples. If I type the spelling wrong of apples, let's see. I type something weird. It says I like blah apples, and this is the thing I type weird. So whatever you really just type over here will get the output just to be the same. So let's now make a shape. That's also going to be very easy. So now let's just copy everything. Let's just copy this and then paste it a few times. Okay, that's I think enough. And let's make a square. So you might be thinking making a shape is very complicated or something. Well, it is. Well, yes, it is very complicated, not as much in Python. But there is a very simple way of making a shape, but it won't look exactly like a shape. You get what I'm saying. So let's make a square. How do you make a square? Okay, like this. So you do this. That's the top of the square. On the bottom of the square, you do this. You get these. They're just on your keyboard. Yeah. Over there, and then this. And then let's do this. And yeah, I think that's it. Here, and then now you get the underscore again. Doesn't match. Maybe let's try that. And then you get a lot of spaces. Over here like this. If you have a hi-fi computer, if you're using something hi-fi, you might get this period. That if you get two spaces, you will eventually get a period. What you want to do is just delete the periods. We don't need the periods. Let me just delete the space. That's good enough. Now let's just keep over here, oopsies, here, and over here, and that's it. I know it literally looks like a rectangle, not really a square anyways, but that's really how you just make it. So let's just run it. You see guys, it looks a bit ugly. I know it's not really perfect. That's how it can be, not really perfect, but that's how it can be. So if you want to make it more approximately better, so what you can do is you can just mess around with this, see what you want best. In my opinion, I'll just keep this over here once more, then this cut, then this cut. Actually, no. Yeah, we want this cut and then a space. Now let's see how this looks. Okay, a bit more better. So what we just want a single one over here. Let's just cut this one. Maybe it'll look a bit more better. I think that looks good enough, yeah. So this is how you make a square. And if you're not a square, like a rectangle, but if you want to make a square, let's just try this now. If you delete this, you just delete this, then you copy paste, and over here you just do this. The underscores. It doesn't really look like a square. What you do then, do this. Print it again. Do the underscores. Let's see how much it looks like a square. Not a single bit, I know. Let's just try once more with this. So you see guys, you have to play around with it a lot. Like just, to see how you want it. Like you're getting a new, shirt or t-shirt or something. Just play around with it. It's not really anything too complicated or serious. Just play around with it. Do what you want. Okay, that looks much more better. Like a square. Okay, so now let's see that. Instead of a square now, let's print or make a triangle. So a triangle might look hard, it's actually very easy. So you just, remember, copy paste. And then now, what you want, you know how a triangle looks. So it's gonna be this. The best way, guys, is actually for doing it from the bottom. You get a much more better view from the bottom than this. And this. And then like this. Then just delete some of those periods. These annoying little periods. Okay, now let's get that. This thing might have an error since this is actually a thing. So slash and then this, a single quotation mark, is actually, if you type an S over here, get that? It's actually a thing. So let's run it. So it's actually, I'll talk later about that. So so what you really do, you just get a space. Just do that. And then, I think I got an error. Okay, that's fine. Then this in a space. And then like that, you go that. And you go like this and that. Okay, I think this looks pretty nice. It's not the best, but it looks very nice, in my opinion. Okay, let's just see that. Okay, we just need the underscores now. Okay, this is going out of order. Okay, this looks like a very nice triangle because sometimes it has a blurry format over here. Sometimes it's actually a glitch on Replit or the thing that you're actually using, because I'm using Replit.com. That's the thing that I'm using for Python. It's for free. You don't really need to do anything. It's a free website. Okay. So we have printed. Oh, let me see. Okay, I think this looks wonderful. We can also make a trapezoid, but I think I should let that solve by yourself. So that is your homework, guys. You have to make a trapezoid using the same thing that I did. Okay, now I think we should. Oh yeah, I remembered. So guys, if you want to make, okay, let me just see. Instead of this, it's not the best grammar. So let's has like a quotation mark like that. But Python thinks that you just want it to stop. Because you see, guys, there's one quotation mark over here, one quotation mark over here. If you make a quotation mark that says let's, the problem is that Python thinks that you just want it for the let. And for the S, S is not defined for a variable, so what is S for? Python can't understand. Because computer really can't understand. It doesn't have a brain. So what you do, guys, you have to get a slash and then single quotation mark. That is gonna think the slash single quotation mark is actually a keyword for, so the quotation mark doesn't show. I mean the slash, the backward slash would not show. Wait, yeah, this is a slash. That's a backward slash, yeah. A backward slash wouldn't show, and then only the quotation mark will show. So if we run it, it says let's. That's what we want. And if we don't have that, guys, look what's gonna happen. It's gonna be, and Python's gonna throw an error. I don't think it's showing up. Okay, so, not showing up. Yeah, so you see, guys, it's a syntax error. So there's no such syntax in Python like this. So it's just gonna throw in syntax error. See, it's looking at the S. Okay, so guys, in the next episode, we will be looking at how to write a name. Not write a name, but if you say hi, and the computer's gonna say, what is your name? And then if you type your name, it's gonna show hi and then your name. So if I type let's say Kevin, it's gonna say hi Kevin. So in the next episode, we are gonna do that. Stay tuned, subscribe to Minecraft and Roblox, and I'll see you all in the